Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to request a stamped statement from the Capitec app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Capitec mobile application and then you need to tap on the sign in tab and you simply need to provide your credentials and you just have to log in into your account. Now on the home page, you need to choose the save option and then you need to enter your secret remote pin in order to sign in. Then you need to choose your account and after that you need to tap on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be able to see a bunch of different options in the bottom, and among those options you will have to choose the option of email statement. Afterwards it will show you the duration or the time range, so you just have to choose the date range, and afterwards you need to enter that particular email address at which you want to receive your stamp statement. After filling those details, you need to tap on the choose button and then you just have to submit the information. This way you will be able to see a notification that will say that they have sent you a stamped email on the email address that you have just entered. So you just have to open your email address and this way you will be able to get the stamped email on your email via Capitec app. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.